Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to watch game streaming on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to watch game streaming on Bigo Live. Maybe because you are a fan of gaming and you love watching live streams of gaming. So you want to give it a try on Bigo Live because you have heard a lot about this app. Or it could be any other reason for you to watch game streaming on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. And right now, you're also logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. We have a lot of live streams and you could say creators on our home screen. At the bottom, we have few options, and at the top, we have all the categories for the live stream. So once you clearly check on the top options, you will see we have an option which says game. So if you tap onto that option which says game, you will be easily able to watch all the live streaming related to game. So here I have clicked on chat. Likewise, once I click on game, there you will see we get a lot of live streaming of gaming on this app. So at first we have some game categories like PUBG, Ludo, and other apps or games that people usually watch and play. So if you want a specific kind of gaming like PUBG, then you have to tap on PUBG, then you will get all the live streaming of the PUBG game. And if you go below to it, you will see all the trending ones, and under it we have some of the featured creators, and after that you will see all other videos and live streams that are exist on this app will appear here. So let's say you want to watch the live streaming of a PUBG app. So therefore you have to click on PUBG, and there you will find all the content related to PUBG. Here you can see the creator's name and how many people are watching. So you can check any one of these by just tapping on it, and then that live stream will be open and you will be easily able to enjoy the gaming. Here you can see this is a live streaming of PUBG. As you can see, under it you can see its description and how many people are watching, and if you want to comment you can comment it, and you can also join this live streaming. If you want to get out of this option, then we have this cross option. Once you tap on it, you will get out of this live streaming. After that, there you will see we have all the trending ones. You can watch any one of these. You just have to simply tap on it, and that live streaming will start playing and you can enjoy that. You can comment on it and can enjoy whatever you want to do with this live stream. Other than that, we have a lot of other options at the below of the page. You can explore all these things, and whatever you find the most interesting, you can watch it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can watch live streams of gaming on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.